Okay, friends, for our art center today, we're going to do a tear art name. So you should have a black piece of paper with your name written on it in a white crayon. Then you're going to get some construction paper. And it can just be little scraps of construction paper because guess what? We're about to tear them up. So I just have some scraps of construction paper that I had from other projects. Now, I'm going to take some paper, I'm going to tear it, and then I'm going to glue. So I'm going to put just a dot, not a lot. I'm going to put some glue. So I'm going to make my whole pea purple. Okay, so I'm just tearing my little scraps of paper, and I'm covering the letters in my name. So, oh, and look, I put a little too much glue. You can see it because it's up on the construction paper. That happens sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to keep tearing to fill the whole letter. And then at the end, boys and girls, we'll have a beautiful, colorful name. Now, you can make your whole name one color, or you can use lots of different colors. I grabbed all different colors to use. So I'm going to finish my P later, but watch. Now I'm going to switch colors, and I'm going to do my A yellow. Okay? So remember, fill the whole thing. I was just showing you how I'm switching colors. All right, friends, you can now go ahead and do your tear art name. Remember, tear the pieces small, use just a little bit of glue, and then at the end you'll have a beautiful, colorful name